Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Dia Mahardika. My INVM 2020-41 5010. I will explain the meaning of the photo. Indonesia is in mourning. Our brother who are in East Nusa Tenggara are being hit by a disaster. Now they need our help. Therefore, we provide a little help in the form of money that is challenged to the Unindra Biology Education Activity Unit sponsoring transfer for our relatives who are in East Nusa Tenggara. These activities are carried out as a form of empathy or care for others who are affected by disaster. We are also saddened by what happened. We can imagine what if we are in the position of course we really need help from others. Moreover, we are social creatures. We cannot live without help from other people. We must help each other, work together in solving problems. But life is not always focused on ourselves, but also of others. A good imagination is when we think of other people. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayunur Azizah. My number in PM is 2020 41 5 000 and 26. Lately, many natural disasters occur in Indonesia. One of them is flash flood and landslides that occur in East Nusa Tenggara. The National Disaster Management Agency, or BNPB, states that the flash floods that hit the East Nusa Tenggara were a natural disaster that had the greatest impact in the last 10 years in the province. The causes of flash floods and landslides that afflict the entire region due to high rain intensity and storm of Seroja tropical cyclone. As a result of the natural disaster, make a lot of damage everywhere and a lot of casualties. So, from that, me and my friends intend to give a little donation as a form of our concern for fellow humans. The contribution was collected by Unitas Biologi of Unindra University, which was later channeled to the victim in need. I hope this little donation can be useful for the victim and this country can be free from various disasters. Thank you.
Hello, may I introduce? My name is Trirus Handayani with the NPM 2020 41 5011 from class R2A. Here I am going to explain my way as a social being to help a fellow in distress. In parts of Eastern Nusa Province, Indonesia on April 4 to 6, 2021, there was a flood and landslide. As many of our brothers there are in need of help from both medicine and food. So I am here with the members of my group who are offering a small portion of the money that is fund-routed to the Unindra Biologi Students Activity Unit through the transfer to natural disaster victims of East Nusa. This is done as a form of concern for our neighbors who are in trouble. We can imagine being in such a position when we surely needn't help from others. Therefore, all of us who are around should be able to help others by offering prayers of support and donation. May these alms be a deterrent and a disaster for ourselves and our families, and may be a booster for the affected brethren who are now testing with the loss of family and position. Amin. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Pia Farida. My number NPM 202041500281. My class in R2A. I will explain a little about the natural disasters that occurred in East Nusa Tenggara. In Indonesia, there are currently many natural disasters, one of which is in East Nusa Tenggara. According to BMKG, hydrometeorological disasters or flash flood and landslide are caused by extreme rainfall. The disaster resulted in hundreds of deaths and injuries and damaged infrastructure. As social beings, of course, we sometimes think of how our siblings who were affected by natural disasters felt. Therefore, as a form of our care for them, we do fundraising as a social action in a tangible form that goodwilling can help those who are affected by this natural disaster. Maybe this is all I say. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Apika Aprilia, NPM 2020415032. On the 4 to 6 of April 2001, the flash flood disaster hit NTT and claimed the life of approximately 128 people. Therefore, we intend to make material contribution to ease the burden on the brother there, which is channeled through fundraising for Unindra Biology Education Student Activity Unit Truk Transfer. We can imagine how we are in that position. Imagination can give birth to empathy, that life is not always focused on oneself.
Hello my friends, my name is Dimas Aditya Nugroho. My NPM is 202041 500079. Here I want to share to you about my activities for my brothers in NTT and NTB, because where there has been natural disaster there. Flash floods and landslides due to tropical cyclones occur in a number of areas in NTT province. On Sunday, 4 April 2021, the flood submerged hundreds of houses and residents were forced to flee and suffer place. The government is still working on handling the impact of disaster in NTT and NTB. In seeing these incidents, me imagine what if me in their position. So me and my friends in my team did fundraising to ease the burden of my brothers there. We made a joint transfer, then sent it to Unitas Unindra so that it will be distributed to my brothers there. Fundraising activity, I think, could raise up of feeling of solidarity on each other. This is my video. Thank you for watching and attention. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukti Nugraheni, NPM 2020415000 and 31. From class regular 2A, program study biology education. I will explain a little about the natural disaster that recently hit our brother. The occurrence of natural disaster in east of Nusa Tenggara, namely flash flood and landslides in East Flores due to extreme weather, that has occurred in recent days. The flash flood occurred in the early hours of Sundays and has buried dozens of residence houses. The disaster killed 86 people. We need to help them to build or care for others. That's why our group took part to help them by giving a small donation to the people who were there. This is proof of our group's concern for the brother in East Nusa Tenggara. Thank you for the time. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Hania Azahra. I'm from class R2A Biology Education, NPM 2020 41516. Located on the Pacific Rim of Fire, Indonesia continues to face the risks of natural disasters such as earthquakes, landslides, floods, volcanic eruption, and tsunamis. Terrible natural disaster and cause the death of living things and destroy the surrounding area, including a lot of infrastructure, resulting in economic losses. This April, one of the natural disaster that hit the East Nusa Tenggara area was flooding. The impact of the flood, namely the difficulty of getting clean water, the number of casualties, and many more. Right now, they really need our help. Therefore, we provide assistance in the form of money that is channeled to fundraising for the Unindra Biology Education activity, transfer using the funding application for our relatives who are in East Nusa Tenggara. These activities are carried out as from our care for people who are in great need. We feel sad because we can share how it feels in that position. Humans are social creatures who basically cannot live without the help of other people. That's all from. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.